Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue N4 camera. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the box itself and what can we find right here. Firstly, on the top of the box we've got the image of the camera itself. Right here on the left side we've got the name of the camera, logo of the company, and right here on the bottom we can find some info about our camera. Firstly, the company name, the model name, and right here we've got the specifics and some of the functions of the camera. So let's start with the top of this list. So this camera offers us 1440 pixels front plus 1080 pixels cabin and 1080 pixels rear camera in 30 fps. Also, we can enable 4K front and Full HD cabin and 4K front and Full HD rear camera. Next, this camera supports all-round protection, 3D channel dual single camera record mode that is adjustable. Also, this camera has a Sony Starvis CMOS function, super capacitor, IR night vision, auto IR cut, 2.45 inches IPS LCD display, emergency protect, parking monitor, time lapse, heat resistance, and GPS track. That is optional. Also, we've got some logotypes and QR codes. Let's begin with opening this box. Firstly, we can see some kind of sticker with the tutorial how to connect your cameras to power supply and the rear camera to front camera. Then we've got two stickers that you can attach to your car. And now let's take a look at the inside. Firstly, we can check the manual. Let's do it later. Next, we can find quick start guide. Also, we'll do it later. And the core of the box. As you can see, this box is very modern. It's beautiful. We've got this paper boxes inside the original box. And every box is labeled. Right here we've got the camera itself, I think, so let's open it. Everything is very well and beautifully packed. Yes, it is the camera. Let's take a look at it a little bit. So right here we've got the 2.45 inches IPS LCD display, cabin camera, and the main 3-channel camera. Right here I think we've got the port to connect the power supply. On the top of the camera we've got the mode button, OK, 2 arrows, and the power button. Let's take a look at the rest of the boxes that are inside of the main box. In this large box we can find the cable with power supply, and in this small package we can find the rear camera, of course the cable to connect those cameras, and let's take a look to last two boxes that are in the main box. Right here we've got the power supply to main camera, of course everything is in very high-end packages. We can plug it via USB-C port to power supply in our car. And in the end, let's take a look at the last box. I think it's gonna be the mount, so we can install our camera to the front windshield. Of course, it is the mount. The mount is 3 pieces. And the cable. Let's unpack it. And again, USB-C cable. So as you can see, everything in this box is very high-end. It's very well done, professional, and you can feel that the camera and the accessories are very well made. It's not going to be cheap, and we for sure can have this feeling that it's gonna last for a very long time. Let's take it to the side for a little bit, and now let's take a look at the manual. Firstly, let's start with user manual and what we can find here. QR codes. Firstly, what can we find in the box? So it's the camera, cap mount, rear camera, chargers, user manuals, quick start guide, and stickers. Then we can check camera overview, getting started, basic operations, specifications, and in the end we can find warranty and support. Nice. Now let's go to the quick start guide. And let's start. Thanks to the quick start guide, you can learn how to insert SD cards, how to mount your camera to front windshield, how to plug it to power supply, and how to use additional modes for your camera, like parking mode, emergency video record, how to switch the front cabin and rear and front camera, video display, and you can learn some basics about your camera. And that's basically it about the unboxing of our Vantrue N4 camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.